Hello everyone, in this video we have listed the free camping areas in Istanbul for you. We tried to explain where this camp is and how we can go, and all the details in our video. You can thank us by subscribing to our channel before you watch our video. Captain's Grave Campground, Beykoz. The tomb of the captain is a quiet and calm camping area located within the borders of Riva but known by very few people. Therefore, it is usually quiet. It is easy to reach the district center. You can light your campfire by taking the necessary safety precautions. It is not suitable for family camping places in Istanbul campsites. Even though it is a little-known campground, it can be popular in summer. There are no toilets and showers. You have to complete your food from the district center and go to the camping area. You may have difficulties in finding a clean water source. Bozhane Village, Beykoz. Bozhane Village is a cute neighborhood located 28 kilometers away from Beykoz district. According to rumors, the first settlers of the neighborhood, which is thought to have been founded in the 16th century, were the Bozhanlı Turks from the Turkmen tribes. You can camp by the lake in Bozhane Village. Although the region is suitable for camping, it is little known by people. Therefore, it will give you a different peace of mind that there is no one in the area while you are camping around Bozhane Lake. Since it is surrounded by forests, you do not have a problem with wood. Telephone and internet are available throughout the region. You can go as far as the lake with your car. You can enrich your camping activity by fishing from the lake. There are hiking spots in the forest in the region. There is no camping facility in the region, therefore there is no toilet and shower facility. Tent and caravan camping area, hiking trails, angling and controlled fire areas. You can meet your needs such as sink, electricity and fountain from the mosque or cafeteria in Bozhane Village. Polonezköy Campground, Beykoz. Polonezköy, where you can experience the typical Black Sea climate, is one of the places where you can relax with the feeling of being in Istanbul but far from Istanbul, with its coolness and clean air, as well as its lush vegetation. Polonezköy Nature Park also has a long walking track. There are markets and areas where you can eat ready meals. You can carry out trekking activities. You can perform activities such as ATV tours. Toilet and shower facilities vary according to the region you go to. It is very popular with picnickers. For this reason, do not include it in the weekend camping plan. Sound and noise may disturb you in the spring months. There are restaurants and cafes in Polonezköy Nature Park, so it is not possible to have food and drink problems while camping in Polonezköy. In Polonezköy Nature Park, you can meet your needs such as toilet and electricity from the facilities. Kurtdoğmuş Village, Ömerli. Kurtdoğmuş Village is one of the rare peaceful places in Istanbul. Kurtdoğmuş Village, which is a natural wonder, is located on the shore of Ömerli Dam. The past of Kurtdoğmuş Village goes back to the 1300s, and everything started to change once the Ömerli Dam, built in 1972, came into service. The nature of this region is absolutely wonderful. It is an ideal area for camping or picnicking on the weekend. Since there is no business, you may have trouble meeting your needs such as a fresh water sink. Esenceli Village Campground, Ömerli. Esenceli Village is a small and cute village by the Ömerli Dam. You can do your camping activity within the borders of this village. It has been very popular this year in the ranking of camping areas close to Istanbul. There is no such thing as any disturbance or expulsion by the villagers. There are trekking points with different views. You can light your campfire after taking the necessary safety precautions. There are points where you can set up tents. It is not preferred by excursionists, as there is no establishment such as a cafe or restaurant. There are also no toilets and showers. You may have trouble finding a clean water source. Therefore, have plenty of water with you. You should definitely do your camping shopping before you come to the village. Esenceli Village receives a phone call at the campsite. Even in the summer, the lake is cold in the evenings. Therefore, you should definitely take thick clothes with you. It is also not very suitable as family camping places. Ömerli Dam Campground. Ömerli Dam is a very popular area among the camping places in Istanbul. You can go fishing and forest walks during your camping activity here. You can easily reach the area with your vehicle and perform a quiet camping activity in shallower areas. There are areas to set up tents around Ömerli Dam. You can light your campfire safely. There are quiet and calm camping areas. You should do your camping shopping in advance. It is very popular among weekend camping places, so you may be exposed to some noise in the summer months. You can fish, hike, go boating on the lake and take photos in the free camping area. It is 10 kilometers away from the town center. It is a place to go cautiously as the night temperatures drop below the average. There is no place where you can meet your shower and toilet needs in the camping area, but the area is located 10 to 15 minutes away from the city by car. It is useful to pay attention to the use of previously used fireplaces when lighting a fire in the area that is suitable for a campfire. In addition, sometimes it can be forbidden by the gendarmes. Before you go, it is useful to ask Google comments or your friends who have gone recently. Sırapınar Dam, Ömerli. Sırapınar Village is one of the 4 villages of Sinekli district on the Anatolian side of Istanbul. It is surrounded by Ömerli district, Hacilli Village and Avcıkara Village. If you are looking for a quiet camping place in Istanbul, Sırapınar Dam is the perfect fit for you. It has a lot of space for camping. You have the option to set up a lot of tents around the dam. It is an ideal area for those who want to camp by fishing. There are also areas where you can light a fire. Telephone and internet work without any problems, and it is also very suitable for bicycle camping areas. You can do your grocery and food shopping from Tamera village house. There is no toilet or shower facility. Unfortunately, there is no fountain for drinking water. Emirli Village, Pendik. It is located 25 kilometers from Pendik district. It is very enjoyable to camp here as it is one of the branches of the Ömerli Dam. It is ideal for those who like a quiet camping environment. You can camp and fish by the dam. The area is quite large and you do not have to be side by side with other campers. Telephones are received in many parts of the region without any problems. You can proceed to the area where you will camp with your vehicle. There is no toilet and shower facility. There is no fountain for drinking water. There is no facility in the region where you can meet your electricity needs. There are no businesses such as kiosks and markets around. You should definitely do your shopping before you come to the camping area. Karakiraz Village, Sile. Karakiraz Village is a cute forest village located 35 kilometers from Sile. The residential area is not on the seashore, but a few kilometers inland, among the mountains. It is one of the rare camping areas in Istanbul, which is very little known. Only some people from the surrounding villages come to camp here. However, you can go to the sea is wavy, but you can wet your body and sunbathe on the coast. Telephone and internet are working. However, I would like to regret to point out that apart from Turkcell, lines can sometimes be disconnected from other operators. There is no toilet and shower facility. There is no business in the region where you can meet your electricity needs. Bıçkıdere Village and Stream, Sile. A must-see for those who want to camp in a quiet village in Istanbul. Bıçkıdere Village awaits nature lovers with all its naturalness. Bıçkıdere, which feeds Ömerli Dam, is a great getaway spot for camping and outdoor sports. There is no toilet and shower facility, and there is no establishment where you can meet your electricity needs. Kilimli Campground. Agva Kilimli Bay is the area that will make you the most free among the Agva camping places. It has a wonderful view close to the sky, at the junction of the forest and the sea. You can light your campfire safely. The best plus is that it is not too crowded. It is located close to the center of Agva. You can easily go to the area with your car. There is a trekking track and unfortunately there is no toilet and shower facility. Darlık Dam Camping Area, LE. Darlık Dam is one of the largest dams in Istanbul. Darlık Dam, located between Sile and Ömerli, is one of the least known places among the camping areas in Istanbul and is very close to the Darlık Dam and Sile Saklıgöl. It is close to the district center. There are areas and wood where you can easily light your campfire. It is the camping area preferred by people who want to camp by fishing. Since there is no business, you can enjoy the free camping site. There are no toilets and showers. In addition, it is very difficult to find a clean water source. Since there are no businesses such as cafes and markets, keep plenty of food with you. Some areas are suitable for family camping, but it may not be safe in general. Also, the phone has limited reception in some areas. The free area where you can camp a tent or caravan is 32 kilometers from the center. Hacilli Waterfall Campground, Sile. Hacilli Waterfall is a magnificent natural habitat where you can get away from the noise of the city and experience the silence to the fullest. You can take a shower under ice-cold water, do trekking activities in the forest, and most importantly, rest as much as possible for the weekend. There are areas where you can hike. Since there is no camping facility, it is on the free camping area list. It is in a location where even those who want to camp for the first time can easily camp. The riverside is very suitable as a camping area. You can take your shower from the waterfall. It is an open space for everyone as there is no business. When you go in advance, you have to go with supply. You cannot get down with your car until the Hacilli Waterfall and the river's edge. You can camp at any point near the waterfall and on the edge of Koka Stream in Hacilli Village. There is no fee for camping at Hacilli Waterfall. There is a telephone, but no internet. Kayıp Adae, Sile. It has a very calm environment compared to other beaches in Sile. You can witness wonderful views, and if you like to take pictures, you can capture beautiful frames. It had a very suitable nature for camping, but it was banned as the last camp. It would be useful to confirm again before you go. You can enter by paying only 200 TL per person per day. IMM lifeguards are on duty and their shifts end after 6:30, with announcements to be more careful. No alcohol, simple food like toast and burgers. The beach is sandy and wide. But when entering the sea, the ground is rocky at first, then sandy. If you have sea shoes, definitely bring them. Kuzuludere Golidi Camp, Adala. Kuzuludere Lake. On the way from Yalıköy to Silingaz, if you take the sign that says Silingaz Nature Park walking track and continue to the left, you will find the pond not far after 1 kilometer. It is very ideal for camping. The back is forested, the land is always flat. For camping you can easily set up your tent and have a pleasant time. There is also a caravan area. Sinekli Lake, Silivri. Sinekli Lake is located in Silivri district of Istanbul. There are no private facilities in the lake. It is a quiet and calm area except on weekends. For families with children, there is a children's area in the area. Since there is no place to shop in the area, we recommend that you complete your deficiencies before you set off. Duruşu Lake Camping, Arnavutköy. One of the camping areas in Istanbul where you can camp for free is Duruşu Lake. Another name for Duruşu Lake is Terkos Lake, which located in Balaban Village in Arnavutköy district. You can choose among places close to Istanbul to escape the city crowd. You can meet your small needs from within the village. It is useful to come prepared for general needs. By renting a canoe by the lake, you can have a pleasant trip, and there is no problem in finding firewood. Çiftalan Village, Kemerburgaz. Çiftalan Village is a cute village connected to Eyüp Sultan district of Istanbul and 30 kilometers from Eyüp Sultan district. This settlement, Çiftalan Village, has a distance of 5 kilometers from the sea due to its location on the Black Sea coast. Especially in the summer months, most of the people who go to the sea come to this area, which we have mentioned later, and camp. Since the camping area is completely free, it is in high demand in the summer months. We should only mention that the area is very untouched. There is no toilet and fresh water facility. If you are going to make a program according to this place, you should bring a lot of fresh water. There is no place that can meet your food, beverage, energy and internet needs. Kumköy Kilyos Campground, Sarıyer. Istanbul is in a very nice location for those who are looking for seaside camping areas in the list of camping areas. You can meet your water and food needs from the surrounding businesses. Istanbul is on the list of safe camping places. You can meet your toilet and shower needs from businesses. It is easy to access. It is located close to the district center. It is very crowded in spring and summer. It is a difficult camping area for the winter because the wind is too much, and the surrounding businesses may charge you for the camping area. Belgrade Ayvad Bendi Nature Park, Sarıyer. Ayvad Bendi Nature Park is a nature park located in Eyüpsultan district of Istanbul province. It was declared a nature park in 2011 and is one of the 9 nature parks in the Belgrade forest. In the park, where there are tables for picnics, as in all parks in the Belgrade forest, it is forbidden to make fires and barbecue after a certain hour. The park also includes Kurtdoğmuş social facilities, operated by Ayvad municipality, which provides cafe and restaurant services. In Kurtdoğmuş social facilities, you can find the opportunity to eat breakfast, kebab, pita and many kinds of food. To enter Ayvad Bendi Nature Park, 12 TL per person by foot or by bicycle, you have to pay 24 TL for a motorcycle and 36 TL for a car. There is no such distinction as a camping area. You can park your car wherever you want and set up your tent. So we have come to the end of the video. If you have a place that we missed or want to add, you can write it in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.